it's been almost 2 months. I took a little break. I know you guys want all the updates and details on the baby, and I will get to that soon. But for now, I wanted to come back with an easy video, share with you guys my updated eyelash routine. I have mastered this trick. This new updated way keeps my lashes on even longer. It's so much quicker to do, and most importantly, all the ingredients that I'll be using in this video are things you can find on Amazon, and I cannot believe how affordable they are. I have been on a hunt to find the right ones that anyone can afford and that's gonna keep your lashes on as long as possible. So I found an Amazon brand, Eyelash, I hope I'm saying that correctly. So they come in a kit like this, if you wanted the whole kit itself, which comes with a bond and a lock, comes with all the lashes, the tweezer, and a remover. So you could definitely just get the kit on its own, super cheap. Or like I like to do, because I use these all the time, I got them individually. So I got a ton of my favorite lashes. And then I got bond and seal, as well as a bigger remover. And I have so many of these lashes because these are the ones that I use most often. My favorite ones are the Timeless or Twin Flower. These are the more generic ones, very natural looking. I like these for like an everyday wear. Then I really enjoy these for like that more wispier effect. I always try to use clusters that have a clear band. So the whole point of these lash extensions is to look like you're not wearing any lash extensions. It's just your natural lashes but longer. So when you look down, there's no band or lash strip that you're looking at. So all of these have clear bands. You want it to look seamless, like there's nothing there. They're so lightweight and fine. Even when you're sleeping, you're not gonna feel these lashes on. It's just gonna feel like nothing, like you just have beautiful natural lashes, but you don't. They're fake. It feels like I forgot how to do this whole filming thing. That's what happens when you take such a long break. I feel kind of shy. You guys are staring at my face. It's so weird. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, let me bring you guys closer. I hope y'all don't make fun of my eyebrows this time around, because I think they look a little better now, right? The application process usually takes me under 10 minutes. These ones last on my eyes up to 2 weeks, sometimes longer, depending how you take care of them and what you do with them, like how you sleep. If you're sleeping on your face nonstop, they might like slowly want to come off, but if you take good care of them, don't do too much like crazy activity that has to do with your eyes, these should last you a very long time. And yes, they are waterproof. You can get water around them. The only thing you should avoid is anything with oils going directly on the lashes. Other than that, you're good to go. This is what the bond and seal looks like. It comes in one, which is really great. You don't have to buy them separately. The bond is just like a little black mascara wand. The seal is like a clear mascara wand. I normally use sizes 14 on the outer corners and then 12 in the inner corner. I'm going to be using the Timeless lashes. First, you're going to take your bond, remove the excess, and then just apply like you would apply any mascara. You want to make sure every single natural lash is coated. It should look like that. We are going to move fast, so I got my lash cluster. I'm going to just pull my lid up a little bit and apply. And then pinch. And then repeat. Make sure you apply as close to the lash line as possible. Even if it touches the skin, that's totally fine. Now I'm going to add a smaller cluster in the inner corner. This is a size 12. And then pinch. Now that we have all the clusters on, I'm going to go in and pinch everything together. Make sure you do this really well, because this is really going to ensure that the lashes stay on for as long as possible. So what I like to do is start pinching from down here and then make my way up. They look so good already, even though we're not even done yet. I'm gonna quickly do the same thing to this eye. Alright, now that I have applied all the clusters on both of my eyes, as you can see, they're a little more wispy than the other ones because these are the Timeless lashes. so they're gonna look a little more wispy. Before I add the last finishing touch, lock everything in, I like to go in with a sharp tweezer like this and just separate the lashes, make sure none of them are like stuck together. Make sure there's no like excess glue that's visibly there. Just like that. The baby just woke up and I am holding him right now. You can do these lashes even while you're holding the baby. It's really that simple and easy for just about anyone. If you're a beginner and never done this before, you can do this. I believe in you. Say hi. And then the last step is to take in your seal or lock, whatever this is called, and just seal everything in. I like to brush first on the top, and then on the bottom. Same thing for this eye. And then I go in with the clean mascara wand and fluff everything up, get that seal more evenly distributed, and that's pretty much it. The lashes are all done. I really like this seal because it doesn't leave like a white cast over it or anything. It just freshens everything up and locks in the bond to help them stay on. These last me up to 2 weeks just because I take really good care of them and wash my face properly and everything like that. But a week is usually like the normal amount of time. I like taking them off and then reapplying fresh ones just so that I can always be looking fresh. But if you don't got time for that, again, just take good care of them and they will last you a pretty good amount of time. But because of how easy they are to do, I don't really mind taking them off and applying them again. It doesn't get better than this. These are super cheap, very easy to apply, last a really long time. As you can see, they just look like your lashes, but longer and better. And if you look down, there's no weird lash strip or lash band at all. It looks very nice and seamless. I think they even look better than the legit lash extensions from the salon, and they absolutely look way better than just the regular falsies. As you saw for yourself, this literally took under 10 minutes and they're gonna stay just the way I put them for a really long time. I hope you guys enjoyed this updated lash look. Thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to sit and watch another one of my videos. You're so appreciated and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.